Are you coming?
Is change really coming?
Change is really coming kasi di ba mag-shift na tayo from administration ni Aquino to administration ni Duterte. And ibang-iba yung pananaw ni Duterte sa mga bagay-bagay. At iba yung mga gusto niyang gawin para sa Pilipinas. Pero I think hindi pa sure kung magiging maganda yun kasi sa nakikita nga natin ngayon na para sa akin, hindi ako pabor sa mga gusto niyang gawin. So, ayun nga, titingnan pa natin kung magiging maganda yung change na yun.
I do think the change is coming kasi may nakita ko mga news na sinasabi na may mga drug lords na namamatay, mga drug pushers na namamatay, pero hindi ko alam, hindi ako sure kung maganda bang change yun or mali. Siguro, sa ganong aspect ng national problem, hindi maganda kasi parang hindi na-serve yung justice. Pero dun sa Mindanao problems, tingin ko mas magiging connected dun yung government ngayon kasi from Mindanao si Duterte.
Siguro, change is coming kasi mula dun sa previous na administration, iba yung nila iba yung target nila na iba yung goals nila for the country. Kay Duterte, target niya manggagaling sa sa mga common Filipino people. So, ayun siguro yung yung pinakaiba. Kaya mas naramdaman ng mga tao na may magbabago talaga sa Pilipinas. Ayun.
Is change really coming?
Change is coming. Una po si President Duterte. Marami po para sa akin minabago na. Katulad ng mga drugs, mga drugs. Kaya maraming nahuhuli mga drug pusher, drug user.
Para sa akin, change is coming. Oo. Iba yung perspective ng bagong president. Alam niya kung ano yung nangyayari sa area nila na pwede niyang dalhin sa side ng Luzon and Visayas. I think parang mas malawak kasi yung tingin niya doon sa part ng, let's say, sa mga paghigpit ng batas. Kung hindi man drastic yung change, siguro unti-unti. Change is coming, may transition.
Change really coming, yes. Tingin ko marami tayong makukuha bagong ideas. Bagong ideologies na mai-inject natin sa government natin.
Is change really coming?
I think change is really coming, pero not necessarily good or bad because many unexpected things are happening na rin, and I don't really know what to expect, pero lately I've seen people to be more active politically because of the things they disagree with. So, yeah.
Hoping lang na baka ibang way, ibang perspective, bago yung yung nararamdaman ng ating masa, especially the poor people. Ayan.
Change is coming kasi hindi siya yung parang usual politician na kilala mo. Parang kakaiba siya sa lahat ng parang binoto natin. So, change is coming.
We had asked individuals the question, is change really coming? Majority of the respondents answered yes, change is really coming. Upon hearing their comments and views, there were some who believed that these changes will be for the better.
It is because they believe that Duterte's perspective and ideas are different. But there were some who are unsure of whether the change will be for the better or for the worse.
So, change is coming.